Alright guys, let's get this look started. To get this look started, I am going to take Orb from the Morphe palette, 35O palette, and place the shade all over my lid. After which I am going to go in with Heat on the outer third and pull it through the crease. Then I'm going to go back into Orb and blend Heat out. Now to darken up this look and give it a little depth, I will be adding Wiz and Brick to give that shade the depth that this look wants, to make it a little bit more smoky. To top the look off, add the shades Polished and Sauce to the lid, just to add to top that look off. And then after which I'm just gonna go back in with Orb to blend everything together to get that seamless goddess blend. For this look, I won't be doing a wing line. I'll be just basing the base of my lashes with this black Epic ink liner from NYX, just to have something for the lashes to sit on. Now to prime my face, I'm going to use this Nivea men's face balm just to prime the skin. Who remember when this was a thing? And after that, I'm just going to spot correct. Now pay attention to this. I'm using a concealer that's closest to my skin tone to just to spot correct, after which I'm going to go in with my Maybelline foundation and stipple that into my skin using my Real Techniques brush. And I'm going to go into the airline because, as you probably can tell, I'm wearing a wig and I want this foundation to blend into the wig, so the wig to look seamlessly. After which I'm going to just pick up the any excess foundation with this Real Techniques sponge. I love doing this. Now it's time to highlight my face, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to highlight, and I'm just going to take a little brush to blend that concealer out. After blending out that concealer with the brush, I'm going to take my sponge, my Real Techniques sponge, just to further blend in that concealer. And then it's time for me to contour, and I am using my Black Radiance contour stick just to contour my forehead and my jawline. After which I'm just going to go in with this stippling brush and stipple that into the skin. After that is completed, I'm just going to go back in with my sponge and go over all the areas that I highlighted previously. Then I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses concealer to go on top of that area. This is something I do. I normally use 2 concealer under my eyes just to get that brightening effect. Now I'm using this pressed powder from NARS Cosmetics. I can't remember the name of the powder, but I just use it to set all the places that I concealed. Now I'm just going to go over that contour area one more time, after which I'm just going to set my face with my Imonde pressed powder just to polish off the look. Guys, if you've gone to thus far in this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and most of all subscribe. Now I'm misting my face just to lock all those powder in, and I'm taking my sponge just to set everything in place. Now it's time for mascara, and I'm using this mascara from CoverGirl. It's called Total Tease. It's a new mascara that I am trying out, but I really like this mascara. After adding the mascara, I'm just going to go ahead and add my lashes to pull this look together. And to finish off this look, I'm just going to take all the shades that I use on the top of my lid on my waterline just to tie everything together. Then I'm going to go into the shade Pure just to open up my waterline and just to add a little bit more sparkle to the look. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and most of all subscribe to my channel. For highlighting, I'll be using this Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal. After applying my highlight, I'm just going to brush my brows out because I used a lot of powder. The lip combo that I used is the NYX pencil in Chestnut to outline my lips and fill in my lip, and then I topped it off with this Revlon pink truffle lipstick. This lipstick is a perfect nude on me, and I just love how this look turned out. Now guys, I'm going to share with you what I did with my wig. For this wig, I just barely took it down and brush it out with a brush. I got this brush from my beauty supply store, and this wig is called Lace Tammy, and it's in the shade 1B. And after brushing the wig out, I'm just going to use my foundation brush just to go up alongside the part. And then I'm going to use my pressed powder, my finishing powder, just to go to the where the part is and where this lace meets my skin. Now, I'm not a wig expert, but this is what I did. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. Okay guys, we are at the end of the video. This is what the look looks like. I think it turned out pretty well. Let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and most of all subscribe. I hope your day is as wonderful as you are.